ExtraaEdge really helped the whole process into one single solution. Conversions of the campaign and tracking all the campaigns and analytical decisions that we can make. Hi, I am Sayan Choudhury of Techno India Group. I mainly manage the whole digital marketing processes of Techno India University and School of the Future. I am associated also with Ask Me Business School and EcoLint with Lab Kolkata. Along with it, I also manage the whole funnel of the digital marketing processes of admissions and other digital marketing efforts for Techno India University and the group. Before ExtraaEdge, we were mainly using Google Sheets and automated process through different automation tools like Pabbly and Zapier. And mainly we were using Google Sheets as our main kind of CRM system. So ExtraaEdge really helped us to navigate through our challenges, which mainly was like updating the sheets was like typically challenging for different. We have basically different admission processes for different schools, where we needed a solution which can automate the whole process into one single solution, which ExtraaEdge did it effectively. So the main game-changing solution that I had faced for ExtraaEdge was the one-stop solution for integrating it with all the like ads networks. So we have multiple publishers working for us, and we have multiple advertisement tools that we use. Other than Google Ads and Meta Ads, there are other effective tools that we use for marketing. And ExtraaEdge, like everything can be integrated to ExtraaEdge solution in just one API call or something. So this is a really great feature of ExtraaEdge. The admission season is going really well, and the admission team is effectively using the ExtraaEdge CRM really well, and especially the features of the funnel view and other analytical features help us like the digital marketing managers effectively optimize our campaigns to the admission process. So it is really going good right now. So basically, the main feature, like the main advantage that we got after ExtraaEdge was conversions of the campaign and tracking all the campaigns and analytical decisions that we can make after looking through the dashboard analytical view and the reports that we generate from the ExtraaEdge dashboard, which is really effective, and it helps us increase the conversions like throughout the process. So after ExtraaEdge, our conversion percentage has increased around 20%, which is effectively increasing right now as the admission season is right now going on. First, if you interested in automating the whole process of your admission funnel into one-stop solution, ExtraaEdge really is your thing. Secondly, if you want great easygoing dashboard, if you want easy analytical views, and if you want a great customer support team, the ExtraaEdge is really good, and I recommend it really for the customer support that we have got. Arjun is really great. He has become kind of a brother to me right now, and I call him whenever I need support of something. Like sometimes happens, like at night the lead flow broke and I needed to call Arjun, and he always picks up my call. He always responds immediately. Whenever I call him to visit, he always visits timely, and Really like hands off, like thumbs up to Arjun for his work. The technical account manager that I have sort of is really great. Like he always helps me in integrating in all the stuffs, and he does it effectively. He takes no time in like real like replying to my text or something, or like whenever I need any help technically, he always is there to help. And shout out to him for really great work that he did.